Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by creating a new project and immediately set the resolution and aspect ratio for your final delivery. This prevents resizing problems later. Next, import your media, drag or upload MP4, MOV, and images, so everything is inside the editor. Once done, organize clips into bins and give them clear names. This saves search time. Also trim rough clips into short selects before adding to the timeline, because working with shorter clips speeds edits and reduces confusion. You now assemble the story on the timeline. Drop clips, use ripple edits and snapping to keep cuts tight, and overwrite where necessary. Then apply transitions sparingly, crossfades for interviews, quick cuts for action. For polish, add color correction and LUTs to match shots, stabilize any shaky footage to keep viewers focused. Layer audio with voiceover, music, and sound effects. Use keyframes and automatic ducking so dialogue stays clear. Make sure to preview often. It reveals pacing issues early. You finish by selecting an export preset that matches delivery. Pick the right codec, bitrate, and resolution. Exporting a 1-minute test clip saves time. Once done, verify audio levels, captions, and metadata so the file is distribution ready. If a full render fails, try clearing the editor cache, lowering bitrate, or exporting in smaller segments and then concatenating. This isolates problematic clips. Finally, review the final file on the target device to confirm playback and quality before you deliver.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.